Hey everybody, hope everybody's doing well and welcome to another video. I picked up a couple of things at Amazon today because I'm off on holiday again. If you're a regular to my channel, it's like about travel, lifestyle, but a fashion thrown in. And I'm always buying kind of like different gadgets to make my travel videos or help me out with my bikes and stuff like that. So yesterday I ordered a power bank and I've been needing to get one of these for a while because, every year I go to Spain or Italy, different places, France on holiday. And if I'm doing a full day's, travel video, my phone, half the time runs out unless I try and conserve my battery and, save it from running flat. So I've been meaning to get a power bank for a while to help me out. And I just picked up this one off Amazon last night. 29.99 here in the UK. There's no kind of real name or anything to this. It just looks like a generic brand. All it's got M 30,000 S black, made in China written on it. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. They do two different colors. There's an orange one as well. Let me just check. The orange one is 32.99, but all it's got is like orange strips on it. So instead of being black, it's got different strips. But let's open it up and take a look at it here. I just took off the wrapper. It came with this, steel plastic wrapper, but I just cut it off to make it a little bit quicker. And so this is what you get here. You get a little welcome guide, user manual. And it's got a little bit of product parameters on it. DC 5 volt, 3 amp, 9 volt, 2A, 12 volt, 1.5 amp. 26,800 milliamp. It's a poly lithium battery on it. And flashlight is 1 watt. So it's got an LED flashlight on it. And the solar panel input for 4 is 150 milliamps slash, that must be for 4, under 25,000 lux. Is that 1, 2, 3? Yeah, 25, under 25,000. Yeah, so that's what it says. So you get this little bit of like stuff with it here. You also get USB A, USB C, I think, which is good. I guess you get a cable. A lot of phone companies, like when I bought my last phone, they didn't give me one of these. It just came with the phone. I guess you got to buy it as an add-on extra. So it's nice. Not very long though. So, you'd have to have your phone fairly close. So it's only, good maybe 20 inches long, but it's better than nothing. And so let's check out the power bank. Fairly well, you got this styrofoam packaging here, so I'll be recycling that. So it'll hopefully maybe doesn't do too much damage to the environment. It's just cardboard, so just cardboard box. And this is the actual power bank here. So I bought one with 4, let's see if I can get that in the shot. I bought one with 4 different solar panels, so it will, because I'm going to primarily use it, I guess, most of the time when I'm traveling. And because I'm in a hot country like Spain or maybe Italy, there's like a lot more sun than in the UK. So it'll hopefully maybe charge up a little bit quicker because it's got four panels on it. I don't think they will make a huge difference. I read some of the online comments and people were saying that the solar panels didn't really charge the battery up very much. Like you might leave it in the sun for all day and it might charge up like maybe 5% or something. So it doesn't, the solar panels are, apparently don't do that much, but I'll test it out. Other people were saying it did do, the Amazon reviews were saying it did actually do quite a lot. and you've got this little green button down here, which is good because it shows it's actually working and not broken. I think there's some blue buttons there as well. Let's see if I can, there's a, yeah, so if you double press, that light's really bright. Let me just show you the back. So it's got this, got a light here. This must be the 1 watt LED, and so it's got a little button on there. So if you press this, let me just, there you go, and it's got a lower function, and then it's got a, I think that's SOS, so it's got an SOS function as well. I'm just going to switch it off, and yeah, you can see now. So I'm not sure, I think when you put this out into the sun, I was reading like some of the reviews, when you put it out into the sun, like these will show. So I think there's 4 of them there. So this battery's, I think by the look of it, 3/4 charged already. I think by law they're not allowed to fully charge lithium-ion batteries, so they only charge them up to 75% before they ship them, and then you have to charge the other one. So if I put this in the sun today, I'm going to go out after I've done this video, and I'm going to put this in the sun, and I'll next time I do a update on my channel, I'll let you know how well this charged and what those little lights and everything did. But yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple little thing, and I'll just show you the connections here, what it's got. If you read some of the reviews, it said it only had 2 USB-A ports, but it's actually got, can the camera focus? Yeah, but it's actually got a USB-C port, I think. So you can plug that in like that. So there you go. So that's obviously for charging it up, but I'm guessing like, because it's got 3 ports, you can actually, you know, charge your phone as well with those. So you could use 2 of them to charge maybe something else, your tablet, and then use the little one to charge your phone. And because this has got 26,800 milliamps, I'm hoping that this little thing will be able to charge my phone for at least 4 or 5 times at least. And it's quite heavy, like actually weighs quite a lot, so you can feel that, you know, there's quite a heavy battery in there, and it's supposed to be IPX7 waterproof. It says it comes with like a strobe light and SOS light. I'm not sure about, I couldn't get the strobe light to work just then, but it might work. And like I said, no real branding or anything on it. I think these are probably just all generic, made in, you know, the same kind of Chinese company. So, but seems well made at the moment, and plastic feels kind of quite good. So it seems like quite good quality. So I'm gonna see how it goes this summer, and check back. I'll check back with me in August, because I'm doing my next holiday around about beginning of August. I'm off to Spain, off down to Malaga again, so not off to Costa Dorada. And I might try and do another holiday to Italy at the end of Spain as well. So I'll be taking this and giving a full test in that hot Spanish summer sun. And thanks a lot for watching. Really good if you guys you know, stayed right to the end. And if you're a subscriber to this channel, it's fantastic. If you've just come across this channel, it would really help if you would like and subscribe. And thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.